that adolescent age. So you'll find most of in your age, they try to create their identity, means to get recognition through social media. इसलिए this is the age wherein you are totally into social networking, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, all of this. Why? Because you want some recognition all around you. And then when you are in college over there, you look for those cool guys, because if the cool guys are recognized, if you get hooked to those cool guys, you will also be recognized by the other cool guys, And therefore that kind of fervor within, or that fever within to get recognized, is so much prevalent at this age. And the classic example of someone who was dying to get recognized in our scriptures is Karna. Now Karna, he became friends with Duryodhan. It was not that, वो जानी दोस्त बोलते ना, ये हमारी यारी, वो सब कुछ भी नहीं था. It was a contract. Duryodhan knew that he cannot win over Arjun. There is no one who can win over Arjun, including Bhishma. Duryodhan knew that. It's a fixed match. We are going to lose. But then when he spotted Karna, yes, it seems that he's the one who can win over, or at least challenge Arjun. So let me make friends with Karna. And Karna saw, because at that point of time, he was called Sutaputra, he was not allowed into, the competition, and he was desperate for recognition. And at that point of time, whoever would give him any kind of recognition, he was ready to sell himself. And that was the point wherein Karna, he got hooked into wrong association. Otherwise, Karna was a righteous person, in one sense. He had some principles and ideals. When he spoke that filthy language against Draupadi during that Asat Sabha, that attempt to disrobe Draupadi, and Karna spoke that filthy language to Draupadi, calling Draupadi as prostitute. Later on, Karna, when he is in front with Bhishma Dev, he's telling to Bhishma Dev that I regret that I spoke those words to Draupadi. He told that to Krishna also. And then when Bhishma Dev asked, if you knew that what are your ideals and you are doing the wrong thing, why did you speak then? And you know what Karna said to Bhishma Pitama? Because I wanted to please Duryodhan. And why I wanted to please Duryodhan? Because Duryodhan had given me the recognition when I was dying for that recognition. So my dear friends, what happens? That you all enter into your college like Karna, the senior most Pandava, Surya Putra, Kunti Putra, Karna. And then when you don't get recognition and you're desperate for that recognition, and someone like Duryodhan, who has no principles and no ideals, he tries to give you some recognition, and then you are hooked up for the life with that wrong association. And Karna is still condemned because he chose the wrong kind of association. Therefore, that's the power of association. In the Ramayana, there is this example given, dust particles. Dust particles, when they come in contact with wind, धूली के कण जब वो हवा के संपर्क में आते हैं तो वो इतना ऊंचा उड़ सकते हैं धूली के कण कि वो राजा के मुकुट पर जाकर बैठ सकते हैं. They can go and sit on the crown of a king where even the queen cannot sit. Huh? Imagine, the queen who is the closest, like, the better half of the king, Ardhangani. But if the queen wants to sit on the crown of the king, वो अलग बात है कि बैठी रहती है दूसरे तरीके से. But physically, cannot sit on the crown of the king. But the dust particles coming in contact with air can rise itself so high, can sit on the crown of this king. And those same dust particles, when they come in contact with rainwater, they turn into muck, कीचड़ बन जाते हैं वो, और रौंदे जाते हैं, लोगों के पैरों तले रौंदे जाते हैं, वही धूली के कण जब वो बारिश के संपर्क में आते हैं. So my dear friends, it depends what kind of association you choose. If you choose the association of wind-like people, you can rise yourself so high. But if you choose association just like that water, you can turn yourself into muck.